In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Discord server. Whether you're cleaning up old servers you no longer use or making some space for new projects, understanding how to delete a server on Discord is a handy skill to have. So let's walk you through the process step by step, making sure it's as simple and straightforward as possible. First, you'll need to head over to Discord's website, which you can easily find at discord.com. Once you're there, the next step is to log in. You'll notice a login button prominently displayed on the upper right-hand corner of the homepage. Go ahead and click on that button. Now you'll be directed to a page where you can enter your email address and password. Type them in carefully, making sure there are no typos. Once you're confident you've entered your credentials correctly, hit the login button again. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself in the familiar interface of Discord. Now, it's time to select the server you want to delete. On the left-hand side of your screen, there's a sidebar filled with various icons representing each server you're a part of. Find and click on the icon for the server you wish to remove. After selecting the server, you must access the server settings. This is done by clicking on the server name at the very top of your screen. It's located just to the right of the server icon you clicked earlier. Clicking on the server name will open a drop-down menu with several options. Within this menu, you'll see server settings. Click on that to open up the settings page. Now that you're in the server settings menu, it's time to find the delete option. In the left sidebar of this settings page, you'll have a list of various settings and options. Scroll all the way down this list. Usually at the bottom, you'll find the option labeled Delete Server, highlighted in red text for visibility. Before you can delete the server, there's one more step. Discord requires you to enter the server name to confirm that you genuinely want to delete it. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletion, so double check the server name and type it in correctly. Once you've entered the server name, look for the button that says Delete Server. Click on it, and just like that, the server will be permanently deleted. This action can't be undone, so make sure this is indeed what you want to do. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to delete a Discord server. With these instructions, you should find it easy to remove any unwanted servers from your list. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to content.